Good afternoon and welcome to Creating with Karen. We're going to make that simple headband that you saw at the beginning of the video. I have a plastic headband and I got this from a beauty supply store. Okay, and I have my Aleene's original tacky glue, additional brush for applying the glue. I have black suede for embellishing and yellow ribbon for embellishing, as well as scissors and my denim material. So what we're going to start with, we're going to apply a nice little amount to the headband of Aleene's glue to the headband. I'm going to set that on the side, and then I have my fabric, and what I'm going to do is I am going to, this is fabric has spandex in it, so it's kind of folding over once I cut it, which is good. That's going to work to my benefit when it comes to applying it around the headband. So I have a little fold there, sort of hugging it, and I fold the ends in and I press and wrap, and then I'm going to bring it around. Now the good thing about this, it's by it being spandex, this material is folding at the edges anyway. So I am going to hide the raw edge of the fabric. So as I go around, I'm going to hide the edge. Let me go back. I have a little piece that's peeking out here. Okay. So, alright, so I'm hiding, I'm just the raw edge. And I'm going around and around, and I'm overlapping it just a little bit, and I'm letting it fold. It's folding nicely. It's tucking, the edges are tucking nicely, and I'm just overlapping it just a little. And let's see. And just a little bit. I'm not putting a lot of tension. I'm not pulling this material tight. I'm just letting it lay. It is has spandex in it, but I'm not trying to get it, you know, tight as I can. I'm just laying it around. I'm not putting any tension on it because it will stretch, but I don't want to put any tension on it. Alrighty, and we're going around. One more time. So we're at the edge right here. So I am going to put a little bit of tacky glue here and on the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it in. I'm going to tuck this piece in, and I'm going to bring this around, just like that. So, I'm going to apply some glue on the inside flaps here, so that it'll hold right here and here. So, just make sure it holds. And I'm going to bring it, make sure it's tucked, the edges, and I'm going to bring it around. There we go. Now, you can wear this just as it is. You don't have to put any ribbon, any type of embellishment on it. I'm going to apply a little bit more glue here. This is why I didn't want to pull the, I didn't want to put any tension on the material. So, I'm going to hold that there. You can also get a clothespin to hold it until it's dry. Alright. Just holding it until it dries. Then the next step, I'm just going to continue to hold it because it's not dry yet. Yeah, it's dry. Yeah. Scrape a little of the excess off. Okay, it's dry. It's holding now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, take a little of the excess off. Wait. Alright, I'm going to first put scraping this off. I'm going to put the suede. So on the inside, I'm going to just put a little bit here. And I'm going to lay this suede cloth in the opposite directions of the layers here of the folds. So I'm going to go lay it here. And I'm going to go around. Pull it around. Oops, trying to tangle up with the yellow. So I'm going to pull it around. All right. I'm making sure the laps that I'm making are even. That's this house phone, excuse that. Somehow I knew that it was going to ring. Alright, and let's see here. Here we go. Cut that. And I'm going to apply a little bit of glue here to hold it. Now what you can do after we finish embellishing and laying all of these, the ribbon and the suede on here, you can take a little piece of denim and place it over top of the ends of the ribbon and the suede. Give it a little extra security. And to hide it. It will hide it. Alright. I find that it's hard to get denim to hold. Not denim, I'm sorry, the suede. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, I don't know, I kind of like it like this. We can put the yellow, but like this we can wear it just about with any color we choose, with the black and the denim. And I kind of like this. And you know what, I'm going to leave the yellow off. Now that I see it complete, I'm going to leave the yellow off and just let it dry. So here you go. I have a plain simple headband. You can wear with your denim outfits. Plain and simple. I think I'm going to make a bracelet to match. Anyway, thank you for joining me.